Hey, everyone! Today, I'm sharing my top 5 must-have kitchen tools that make cooking easier, faster, and honestly, more enjoyable. These are all budget-friendly, practical, and perfect for home cooks like us. Let's dive in. Number 1, Close-Up of Mercer Culinary M22608 Chef's Knife. First up is the Mercer Culinary M22608 Chef's Knife. This knife quickly became my everyday go-to. The high-carbon Japanese steel blade is razor-sharp and effortlessly cuts through onions, herbs, and even dense cabbage. Plus, the Santoprene handle is soft, comfortable, and non-slip even with wet hands. And at under $20, it feels surprisingly professional. Pros: extremely sharp and durable. Comfortable non-slip handle. Lightweight and well-balanced. Excellent value. Cons: not dishwasher safe. Needs regular care to maintain the edge. For anyone on a budget looking for a reliable chef's knife, this one is a winner. Number 2, OXO Good Grips Plastic Utility Cutting Board. Next, the OXO Good Grips Plastic Utility Cutting Board. I love the large surface it makes prepping meals a breeze. Double-sided, non-porous design protects your knives and keeps odors away, while the drip catcher and non-slip feet make it super practical. Bonus: it's dishwasher safe. Pros: durable and knife-friendly. Drip catcher and non-slip. Dishwasher safe. Cons: slightly heavy. Can scratch over time. Less decorative than wood. A practical, everyday board that's easy to clean and dependable. Number 3, Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. For accurate cooking and baking, the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale is a game changer. With precise 1 gram increments, a tare function, and a capacity of 11 pounds, it's perfect for portion control. Plus, the sealed control panel keeps it spill-proof, and it auto-shuts off to save battery. Pros: easy to clean. Accurate and compact. Durable, available in fun colors. Cons: limited to 11 pounds. Plastic can scratch. Auto shut-off may interrupt long cooking sessions. This scale is precise, simple to use, and perfect for any home cook. Number 4, Kuhn Rikon Original Swiss Peeler 3-pack. If peeling fruits and veggies is a chore, the Kuhn Rikon Original Swiss Peeler set is a lifesaver. This 3-pack of Y-shaped peelers comes in bright colors and works for both right and left-handed users. The blades are sharp, smooth, and even include a potato eye remover. Plus, they're lightweight and ergonomic. Pros: sharp blades. Ergonomic design. Versatile for fruits, vegetables, and garnishes. Cons: blades require careful handling. A small tool, but a huge help in the kitchen. Number 5, OXO Good Grips Soft-Handled Can Opener. Finally, the OXO Good Grips Soft-Handled Can Opener. If you struggle with cans, this one makes life easy. The large cushioned handles are comfy, the oversized knob turns smoothly, and the blade cuts cleanly every time. It even has a built-in bottle opener. Pros: comfortable, non-slip handles. Easy to turn knob. Sharp, durable blade. Built-in bottle opener. Cons: hand wash only. Small hands may need extra grip effort. A simple, reliable tool that belongs in every kitchen. And there you have it, my top 5 essential kitchen tools that are practical, budget-friendly, and seriously make cooking more fun. I've linked all of them below, so check them out and upgrade your kitchen today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tips.